Level up! Tech and Gaming quiz starts now. Some say there's a fake hiding here. Do you believe them? Which streamer is known for their cooking streams and often collaborates with other streamers in the culinary space? You got it, Fussly. What is the name of TikTok's official currency used for gifting creators? That's right, coins. Which company acquired Oculus VR in 2014, significantly boosting the VR industry? Boom, correct. Meta, formerly Facebook. Which of these features was removed from the Xbox One shortly before its release due to negative feedback from consumers? Correct, used game restrictions. What technological advancement is most crucial for achieving realistic facial expressions and emotional communication in virtual avatars? That's right, facial motion capture technology. Which company is primarily known for developing the Half-Life and Portal series and has also made significant contributions to VR gaming with titles like Half-Life Alyx? Correct, Valve Corporation. Which streamer holds the record for most wins in a single Fortnite World Cup tournament? That's right, Booga. What is the character limit for a single Discord message? You got it, 2,000. Which of these is not a playable race in Baldur's Gate 3? You got it, Klingon. Which of these is not typically a characteristic of a strong password, as emphasized in cybersecurity coding practices? Nailed it, being based on easily guessable personal information, like a pet's name. Think you spotted a ghost fact? Tell us which one. Tomorrow, music.